In front of me is Redmi 13 and today I would like to show you how you can set up an alarm clock. Begin by opening Clock app and tapping on Alarm section at the bottom left corner. Then use this plus at the bottom right one and set Tap Now. When you're ready, click on Repeat and decide if you wish for your alarm to repeat once, daily, Monday to Friday, or maybe you want to click on Custom and adjust it. If you do, pick dates of the week and save them by hitting OK. Then go back, click on Ringtone, and tap on any of those options. Select pre-installed ringtones over here and tap on Apply next to the best one for you. Then confirm your choice in the pop-up. Select Allow and go back. If you want to, you can also select Weather Alarm over here and it will change depending on the weather. Or click on this plus at the bottom right corner to pick any of those sound sources. Select Allow, Allow All, and click on the song that you wish to apply as your new alarm one. Then hit this check mark at the bottom left corner and tap on Apply right next to your song. Then hit OK again and Allow. Wherever you decided, when you're ready, click on this switcher next to Vibrate when alarm sounds to disable or enable haptic feedback for this alarm. And last but not least, create a label. Save it by hitting Set and save your alarm by clicking on this check mark at the top right corner. As you can see, mine was successfully added. To turn it off completely, use this switcher next to it and pick one of those options. You can turn it back on by hitting the same now gray one. To delete it, hold it, click Delete at the bottom and wait. To make some changes, click on it, change wherever you want to, and tap on the check mark again. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!